Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone.
Today we will be discussing how to adjust your sleep schedule on your iPhone. It's easier than you think, so let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open the Health app on your iPhone. Once you're inside, tap on Browse in the bottom right corner. Now, scroll down until you find Sleep, and tap on that. Keep scrolling down within the Sleep section until you find your schedule. Tap on Full Schedule and Options. Okay, at the very top, you'll see an option to completely enable or disable your sleep schedule. Below that, you can choose whether or not to use sleep in focus mode. Now, here's the core of it, where it says Full Schedule, tap Edit. This is where you can really customize things. First, you can choose which days of the week you want your sleep schedule to apply to. Just tap the days you want to include. Below that, you can actually change the sleep schedule itself. See the dial?
If you want to move your bedtime back an hour, just drag the dial backward. Now, if you only want to change your wake-up time, press and hold on the asterisk and asterisk of the dial. The wake-up end and drag it to whatever time you like.
Let's say 10 a.m. You can do the same for the bedtime on the other end of the scale.
Once you've set your times, scroll down.
Here, you'll find alarm options. You can enable or disable the alarm entirely. And just below that, under Sound and Haptics, you can choose which alarm sound you want to use. If you go back to the main sleeping schedule screen, you can also change the volume of the alarm by dragging the slider.
Want a snooze button?
You can enable that too. It'll give you a 9-minute snooze timer. Happy with your settings? Tap Done in the top right corner. Just below the Done button, you can tweak even more settings. You can set a wind-down timer to help you relax before bed, define your sleep goals, and even set sleep reminders just before bedtime. Below that, you can log your sleep results, which is even better if you use an Apple Watch. Here's a quick tip. If you have your sleep schedule turned on, you can quickly change your wake-up time by going to the Clock app, tapping on Alarms, and then adjusting your sleep wake-up schedule from there.
Super handy.
And that's it. That's how you change your sleep schedule on your iPhone. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. It really helps us out. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks for watching Fix Zone, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.